If someone asks you to play the blues, all you need to do is bend as much as you can. Obviously, it's not just about this, but bending is an important part of playing the blues. If you're not familiar yet with bending, the first thing that you need to know is that there are different types of bending. Basically, the most popular one is the full step bend, where you raise the pitch of the note of a tone. So for example, if I'm on the 10th fret of the B string, I raise the pitch of the A, which is the note on the B string, 10th fret, to B. So that's the full step bend. Then another popular one is the half step bend, and basically you are going to raise the pitch of the original note to a semitone higher. So for example, if I'm on the 7th fret of the B string and I want to bend half step, I'm going to increase the pitch from F sharp to G. Another example would be, let's say, so for example, here I'm in the key of E, and I am increasing the pitch of the G to G sharp, which is a semitone higher. Another popular one is the Unison Band. Basically, you're going to pick two strings at the same time. So for example, if my index is on the B string of the 12th fret, and then my ring finger on the 14th fret of the G string, and I pick those two strings at the same time, but I bend the G string one step up. So basically I reach the same note that I am playing on the B string 12th fret. So then another one, which is actually quite popular, is the 1.5 step bend. So that would mean like 1 tone and a half up. So for example, if I am playing on the B string 12th fret, I have the B here, and I want to bend the string up of 1.5 step, I will need to reach the note 3 frets up, basically, which is the D. So as you can see, one of the most important thing is the intonation. Make sure you test the note that you have to reach. For example, I'm here playing B, and then I want to reach D, which is here. Like that. Another popular one is bend one string and play another afterwards or at the same time. So for example, I am on the G string 14th fret and I bend the A up to B. And then I play the, let's say, the B string on the 15th fret at the same time. Or I play the B string after bending the G string. You can also do B string 15th fret. Another type of bend is the two steps bend, where you have to bend the string 2 tones up. So for example, if I am on the B string 17th fret and I'm picking the note E, all I need to do is bend the string up to G sharp, which is this note. As you can see, it's not an easy bend. So I would recommend to start using this one straight away. You can start exploring, for example, the full step bend and the half step bend, and because they are the most popular ones. There is another one actually that you can try, which is the bend over a bend. So for example, if I am bending on the B string 8th fret from G to G sharp, and then I want to add another bend afterwards. For example, I can bend the E string on the 9th fret up to the 10th fret, so C sharp to D, that will be again. Anyway guys, I hope that you enjoyed this short lesson, and I will see you very soon. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you are a new viewer. Thank you.